Hello guys, welcome back again to this MERN Stack series. In this video I am going to discuss what is paragraph tag. Problem with paragraph tag, and have one challenge for all of you guys. So don't skip this video and watch till the end. This is our folder MERN and I am going to open with code. This is our HTML file where we are working on. So basically paragraph tag is used to write paragraphs in our web page. I am writing here, this is a paragraph 1 in the p tag. It has a closing tag also, so you have to close it. The content present in p tag treated as a paragraph. I am going to make another paragraph. Just copy and paste it and write as a paragraph 2. Save and copy the path of the file and run on your browser. We get the two paragraphs. This is a paragraph 1 and this is a paragraph 2. We have one center tag to bring anything on the center of the page in HTML. Save the file and run on your browser. Refresh it. We get the two paragraphs in the center. Now the problem with p tag is if I am writing something like this. Suppose I am writing this paragraph contains a lot of spaces. If I am writing something like this, then what happens? And if I want to save and run on your browser, see, all the paragraph content comes in one line. This is the problem of our p tag. How can we solve it? I am writing HR tag here to look good. HR stands for horizontal rule. It basically defines a thematic break change in the content, and it is used to separate content in HTML page. Now come to the challenge part. So I am writing challenge in a h1 tag. So you have to write a poem in a p tag. Something like Johnny Johnny yes papa. Eating sugar no papa. Telling lies no papa. Open your mouth ha ha ha. Save it and go to the browser and refresh it. See, this is the problem. All the content goes in a single line. You have to write a proper format of poem like this. We have one more thing to do with paragraph tag is we can set title of the paragraph. Like title is equal to my poem goes here. Whenever mouse over on this paragraph, it shows my poem goes here as a title, and we can also say it as a tooltip. Pause the video here, think about it and write challenge accepted in the comment section, and also write the code if you know how to do it. Come to the solution of our problem. I know most of you think that we can put BR tag where we want to break the line. Generally, BR tag is used to break the line. It is okay, but not a good approach and not recommended to use BR tags. Try to avoid BR tags in your whole page because it creates the problem in responsiveness of the web pages. For this type of problem, we have one tag called pre-tag. Now I am removing all the BR tags. We have two paragraphs here. One is where we used BR tags and the another is where we want to use pre-tag. Pre means pre-formatted text. The text in a pre-element is displayed in the fixed width, font, and the text preserve both spaces and line breaks. The text will be displayed exactly as written in the HTML source code. Save it and refresh it. See the difference between the pre-tag and where we are using BR tags. So the pre-tag is used to reserve the spaces and line breaks. Comment down how many of you are aware of this pre-tag. I hope you have enjoyed in this video. If you still have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. See you soon in the next video.